Hello everyone, welcome to GMB live showroom. Today we will introduce you one new fingerprinting lever lock.
The raw material of this lock is aluminum alloy, and we can also make zinc alloy. Our standard finish is satin nickel and matte black, and we have two shapes of the extrusion: square and round.
This is our standard packing. Also, we can make the color box according to your request and a blister package. There are two levers in the package. One latch bolt, one strike plate, one plastic strike box, screw bags, two rubber washer, USB charger cable, two brass key and one setting key, one instruction sheet.
The design of this lock is simple and generous. You can lock and unlock the door by one touch, or also you can unlock the door by key too. And you can see here micro USB emergency power interface, LED indicator, and fingerprint identification. Use the unlock by key.
Here is setting hole. We can use setting key, set the door. There are two master code and 20 user code. Here's the switch button. The lock has two modes. Always lock. Always unlock. Switch as you like. It's very easy to set user. Let us show you how to set. Use setting key, press the hole.
Master code identification. Add the user code. Six times.
It can install on wooden doors, steel doors, or other doors with door thickness 35 to 55 millimeters. You can use it on home, hotels, and commercial office buildings.